Welcome students. Topic lesson 1 exercise lecture 3 simplicity and humility of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, class 10th, subject English. Now coming back to your book exercise question D, identify the noun phrase in the following sentence. To solve this exercise you have to know about noun phrases. So for noun phrases we have to know what is the definition or explanation of noun phrase. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words which functions as a noun in a sentence. Noun phrase, it is very easy to understand. A noun phrase is a group of words which functions as a noun in a sentence. To understand this statement, you have to know what is noun. You already know what is noun. Noun is a naming word of thing, place or a person. And phrase, it is a collection of words. It is a collection of words or phrases. So we will combine both of these and it will give us the definition of noun phrase. Noun is naming word and phrase is a collection of words. Now we will join together both of the definition. It will make a new definition. A noun phrase is a group of words which functions as a noun in a sentence. Noun phrase अल्फाज का ऐसा मजमूआ होता है जो किसी जुमले में noun के तौर पर काम करता है. So is it clear to you now? Now coming back to exercise. Identify the noun phrases in the following sentence. So we have to find the noun phrases. He wished to talk to his manager. He wished to talk to his manager. We have to find the noun phrase. So his manager is a noun phrase. Noun, manager. Manager is a naming word and phrase is a collection of words. His manager, so it is collection of word. So in this statement, he wished to talk to his manager. His manager, the underlined word is his manager. This is phrase and it is known as a noun phrase. So if the sentence would be like he wished to talk to the manager, so the manager would be noun. So in this sentence, he wished to talk to his manager. So his manager, it is considered as noun phrase. The wicked man loves getting poor people into trouble. The wicked man. If the word would be the man, it would be considered as only noun. But the word is wicked man. Wicked man, it is considered as noun phrases. The wicked man loves getting poor people. If the word would be poor into getting into trouble, so the sentence would be understandable. But the word poor people is used over here, so it is also a noun phrase. So in this sentence, we have two noun phrases, the wicked man and the poor people. The third one is the poor man wanted to pay back every penny he owed. So if there would be the man wanted to pay back every penny he owed, it would be only noun. But the poor man, the word poor man is used over here, so it is considered as noun phrase. Number 4, all the kids were sleeping. If the sentence would be kids were sleeping, it would be only noun, but the sentence is all the kids were sleeping, so all the kids is underlined and it is noun phrase in the sentence. Horses prefer living in dark stables. Horses prefer living in stables. It would be only noun, but the word is used dark stables, so it is noun phrase in this sentence. So we will repeat it once more. His manager, the wicked man, poor people, poor man, every penny, all the kids, dark stables. These are all noun phrases in these sentences. Now coming to exercise E, which is complete each sentence with a properly formed noun clause. For this purpose we have to know what is noun clause. Noun clause. For knowing the noun clause, first of all we have to know what the clause is. A group of words which form part of a sentence and contains its own subject and a predicate is called a clause. So a clause is a part of a sentence which has its own subject and predicate is called a clause. In the following sentence, the underlined group of words are clauses. Example, number 1. So, she cannot attend the party as it is raining. The underlined sentence, this part of sentence which is underlined is clause number 1 and this part is clause number 2. So, in every sentence the clause means it is clause 1. Clause 1 has its own subject and its predicate. It has its own subject and its predicate and it has a. So this is clause number 1. She cannot attend the party as it is raining. This is main clause and it is dependent clause. She cannot attend the party. If this sentence is only used from she cannot attend the party, only this part of the sentence give us its complete sentence and it does not need any remaining sentence. So this sentence is called, this clause is called clause number 1 or it is considered as main clause or principal clause. And the remaining portion is as it is raining, it is dependent. It is dependent clause. It needs a part of sentence to complete it. So, she cannot attend the party, it is clause 1 and as it is raining, it is clause 2. Example number 2, I hope, it is clause 1, that she will win the contest. That she will win the contest. I hope is main clause, that she will win the contest, it is subordinate clause. Number 3, people always succeed, it is clause 1, who strive hard. Who strive hard is clause 3. People always succeeded, it is clause 1, who strive hard, it is clause 2. So these are the 3 kinds of sentences which shows how to clause are written. Now coming to the examples, you will succeed if you work hard. It is a sentence and we have to find the clause in it. The above sentence consists of 2 clauses. You will succeed, you will succeed. If you work hard, if you work hard. There are 2 parts of one sentence. Clause number 1, you will succeed, makes a good sense and it can stand itself, so it is called the principal or the main clause. You will succeed is a principal or a main clause. While clause 2, if you work hard, cannot stand itself and does not make a good sense. It is dependent on the clause you will succeed. So it is called dependent clause or subordinate clause. There is another clue that subordinate clauses are usually start from WH words or if, as, or you can see in these example as, that, who. Now coming back to exercise. Complete each sentence with a properly formed noun clause. Now you know about the clauses. What are the clauses? Now coming to statement number 1. Jamal asked me dash. There are 2 options. Where was his wallet? Where his wallet was. The question is interrogative in interrogative form. So the correct pattern of sentence is where his wallet was. Jamal asked me, it is main clause, and where his wallet was, it is subordinate clause, and the correct option is B, where his wallet was. Number 2, I could not tell him dash. I could not tell him dash where was I, where I was. Where I was is the correct sense of sentence. So where I was is the correct sentence. I could not tell him, it is the main clause. Where I was, it is subordinate clause. I don't know dash how many children he has. How many children does he has? So the correct option is how many children he has, because it follows the correct pattern of sentence writing. Dash is not important. How close we are, how close are we? How close we are is not important. This is the subordinate clause and it is main clause. Dash was sad. What did she say? What she said. What she said is the correct answer. What she said was sad. So this was all about noun clause. Now coming to activity. Practice of noun phrase and noun clause. Thank you, students.